everyone! In this video, we're creating a smooth and minimal mobile splash screen using Figma. Let's get started! This is my logo, and now I'm adding a mobile frame. Now take a rectangle with the size of the frame and give it a color. Now take another rectangle, set the size to 100 x 60, and make the corner radius 100 and color it. Place this rectangle in the center of the frame and move it inward by the same number of pixels from each side. Select both rectangles together and place them inside the mobile frame. Copy this screen and paste it next to the original. Take both rectangles out of the frame by dragging it outside. Copy this screen and paste it. Select both rectangles and move them to the left. Select the small rectangle and move it to the left side of the screen. Select the logo text. Bring it onto the screen. Give the text a frame. Set the frame's width to 1 pixel and enable Hua-Sen clip content. Duplicate the screen. Set the rectangle's width to 60 pixels. Duplicate the screen. Increase the width of the rectangle and move it to the right. Select the text frame and increase its size like this. Duplicate the screen. Set the rectangle's width to 60 pixels. Duplicate the screen. Set the rectangle's size 15 by 15 pixels and adjust it. Now it's time for the prototype. If you enjoyed the video tutorial, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.